Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In today's video, I am going to show you how to log into your Trust Wallet account. To do that, first open up the Trust Wallet app. After opening up the app, you'll notice two options. The first is create a new wallet and the second is I already have a wallet. To log in, click on the second option. Now, click on I have read and accepted terms and policy and click continue. Now, while signing up, you have created a 6-digit code. Place in the code. If you haven't signed up for Trust Wallet yet, then do watch our previous video where we have teach you how to sign up for Trust Wallet. So now place on the code. After that, click to multi-coin wallet. While signing up, you have received a 2-phase secret code. Now place in the 2-phase. After typing in the 2-phase, click import. Now you have successfully logged into your Trust Wallet. So that was the process of logging into Trust Wallet. If you find this video useful, then make sure to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscription button and hit the notification button if you wish to get notified of our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching.